There are a million ways to steal a password. And just one stolen password can take down your network. Are you sure that your employees are keeping them safe? Make it easy for you and your employees to protect your business with WatchGuard's AuthPoint multi-factor authentication service. AuthPoint delivers the power of MFA in an easy-to-administer cloud service and mobile phone app. So there's no hardware to deploy, and it can be managed from anywhere. A full suite of integrations with third-party applications means that MFA protection is extended to wherever you have sensitive data. AuthPoint users only sign in once to access multiple applications. And they appreciate the friendly mobile app with its personal touches. Here's how it works. A user logs into the company network like normal, but then a push notification message is sent to their phone showing who and where the attempted login is coming from. Simply select Approve to continue with the login process, or when push messages are not an option, choose to enter a one-time password, or even scan a QR code to validate identity when offline. With AuthPoint enabled, hackers that try to log in with stolen credentials are denied access, keeping your network protected and saving you from potential fines, breach remediation expenses, lost productivity costs, and a damaged business reputation. Multi-factor authentication is one of the most important safeguards needed to protect your business. WatchGuard AuthPoint is the right solution at the right time to address this security gap with powerful multi-factor authentication.